Hi everyone, Toothpick Tony. Gonna walk you through his new and improved pedal board. Just gonna back this up a bit so you guys get a good shot. Yeah. Okay, and just walk you through this quick. Pretty much, first pedal there at the end is the Hyperphase. Next to it is the Digitech Synth Wah. Next to that is the Dr. Q envelope follower. Next to that is the Screamin' Blues overdrive pedal, another Digitech pedal there. Next to that is the Boss acoustic simulator. And next to that is just a cheap Behringer equalizer, and if you can see, I have a cord running underneath the board to the other side into the DF7 distortion factory. See if you can picture that one there. Okay, next to that is the DoD death metal distortion pedal, and they actually stopped making this pedal, but I think it's like the greatest distortion pedal that I own. Next to that, I got the MXR Smart Gate, in case, like, you know, there's just too much hiss and hum coming from the distortion pedals there. Next to that, I got a Super Octave Pedal OC3, and the last two in the chain are the Digitech Digiverb and the Boss RC2 loop station, which I'm still learning to use. It's a very complicated pedal, but definitely the most pricey of my pedals there. Power all of these through one spot. Yes. You just get a daisy chain with eight plugs, and you plug in the first 6, and the last 2 there are also plugged into that first one, and then I just got a next daisy chain with 5 in them to plug in the rest. And I bought the Velcro for 40 bucks from LYT Pedal Boards. Very good site for people looking to build their own boards. And yeah, this is the new Toothpick Tony pedal board, and now when you see videos from me, you'll know exactly what it is I'm using.